In this guide, you will learn how to increase battery life on an old iPhone. First, launch settings. Go to the option battery. Check your battery health to see if it's at a normal maximum capacity. Apple recommends replacing the battery if it drops below 80%, which usually costs between $100 and $150, and doing so will immediately improve battery life. However, even without replacing it, there are several settings you can adjust. In the battery section, enable the option to limit charging to 90% or the 85%. This slows down the long-term battery degradation caused by fully charging. You should also turn on the new adaptive power feature, which helps your iPhone adjust processing and background activity in real time to preserve battery life throughout the day. Next, head back. Check settings that may drain battery without you realizing it. Turn off background app refresh for apps that don't need to constantly update in the background. You can completely disable it, or you can disable for the apps that you don't need. Now head back. Go to the option display and brightness, scroll all the way down, navigate to the option always on display, click on that and set it to off. Now go back to the main page of settings, go all the way down and head over to the option apps, find mail and launch it. Now click on the option mail accounts, click on fetch new data and disable for the option push. Likewise, check in for the option manually. Additionally, review your location services. For that, head back. Go to the option privacy and security, click on the option location services. Disable location services for the apps that you don't use, or you can completely turn it off. Likewise, scroll down. Click on the option system services. Now you can disable for these options to limit unnecessary background activity. Next up, head back. Go to the option general, click on software update. If any updates are available, consider updating to the latest version. Now give a fresh restart to your device. By following these steps, you can significantly improve both the daily performance and long-term lifespan of your old iPhone's battery. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.